This is the new Rock62 fixed blade from WOOX. The Rock62 is perfect for camping and hiking and will serve excellently by your side for everyday carry, if fixed blades are your speed. The blade is 4.5 inches long and is made of Sleipner steel. It comes in black or stonewash finish with a drop point. It has a full-tang build with a lanyard hole, functional spine jimping, and an appealing rustic aesthetic. It comes with removable American walnut wood handle scales in phantom black. Designed in the USA and made in Italy, the Rock62 is the kind of blade you'll use, then your kids will use, and then their kids will use. A tool for generations. You can pick yours up at the link in the description.